In this quick guide, you'll learn how to set starting balances in manager.io, a simple yet powerful tool for managing your business finances. Whether you're transitioning your records from another system or just getting started, setting your starting balances correctly is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Let's dive in and get your accounts set up swiftly and efficiently. First, open manager.io and look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see the navigation menu, which is your main hub for accessing different sections of the software. Click on the section labeled Settings. This area allows you to customize various aspects of your accounting system to better fit your specific needs. Once you're in the Settings window, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system, where all your financial transactions are categorized. It's important to have a clear understanding of this section, as it will help you navigate your finances more effectively. Now, take a moment to find the specific account for which you want to set a starting balance. These could be asset, liability, or equity accounts, depending on what you're adjusting. Once you've identified the correct account, look to the right of its name and you'll find an Edit button. Click on this button to open up the account details. As you scroll down in the account details, you'll come across a section labeled Starting Balance. This is where you'll input the initial balance for the account. It's critical to ensure that this information is accurate, as it will affect your financial statements moving forward. Before entering the balance, you'll need to decide whether this amount is a debit or a credit. You'll find a drop-down menu right below the starting balance field for this purpose. Selecting the correct option here is essential because it determines how the balance will be reflected in your accounts. If you're unsure, remember that assets and expenses typically have debit balances, while liabilities, equity, and income usually have credit balances. Now, enter the balance amount as a positive number. Be precise here, as any inaccuracies can lead to discrepancies in your financial reports. Once you've double-checked that everything is correct, look towards the bottom of the page and click the Update button. This action will save your changes and apply the starting balance to the selected account. And there you have it. You've successfully set a starting balance in manager.io. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data starts on a solid foundation, enabling accurate tracking and reporting as you move forward. Remember, maintaining up-to-date and precise financial records is crucial for the health of your business. If you ever need to adjust or correct a starting balance, simply repeat these steps to make the necessary changes. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to explore other features in manager.io to fully harness the power of this versatile accounting software. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others who might benefit. Keep your finances organized and happy managing.